Excellent day to every one of us. Marvelous day, beautiful day to everyone. Wow, in this short video, I want to create in RoyalQ KDJ indicator automation strategy because I have a lot of people that are always busy. They can't have time to set up trade. To pick up signals. So this video guide is for those that want to set up the KDJ indicator. I've done video for MACD indicator for RSI. This KDJ indicator is a very good indicator strategy on automation. So it depends on the capital that you have. This is a file for if you have 100 capital, $100 capital, you can use this setting. Use $5 as your first buying amount. If you have, or you can use $7 first buying amount. And if you have $200 and above, at least you can trade two coins, more than don't do more than two coins. And first buying amount can be $15, as you can see it here. First buying amount. Just follow this setting. Now, the next rule you must follow is that when you want to go for the KDJ indicator strategy, you need to first make sure you focus on the top 20 30 coins like BTC, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, BNB, TRX, Doge, ADA, Leo, Link, Alpha, XLM, Ton, Shiba, Sui, HBAR, PCH, LTC, Dot. Pi is a good coin because it has its own blockchain. XMR, Uni. These are the coins you should focus on. ICP, ETC, AV is a good coin. So those are the first coins to focus on. The first 20, 30, 30 coins. So when you are in your RoyalQ app, so you need to identify all those coins because there are some coins that Binance, Bybit, other sometimes they will delist it, which is not caused by RoyalQ, which might make you to have an issue with your trading card that might crash. So focus on those top 20 coins that I've just mentioned. And when you have identified any one of them, let me look at and say is a good coin. Say so the moment you want to enter any coin you want to put on automation, after you have checked the whether they are top 20 30 coins, then go and check the weekly chart. Ensure the coin is down on the weekly chart. And if you check the monthly chart, it's down on the monthly chart. It's almost down. So on the monthly chart. So let's check the 1 day chart. Now it's not completely down. It needs to come down to this place before you start this trade. So I will not go for this coin because you need to make sure the coin is on a downward trend like this place, because so that you can trade that, put that automation for maybe like a week, 2 3 weeks before you stop it. Because if you go and trade when the coin is up, it might have floating loss. You might have high floating loss. Your money might depreciate. So let's look for another coin. So I'll be able to identify a coin. CFX, I know CFX very well is a good coin. So I have to search if I could get this. So this is a coin that is close to the downward trend. It's close to the it's on the downward. It has been ranging for months and it's almost close to the lowest Bollinger Band. So let's check the weekly charts. Okay, I think this is good. It's on a downward trend close to the lower Bollinger Band. But if the last candle has broken this last Bollinger Band, is already very low. So you just have to take your time to search for that coin very, very well. So this one on a daily chart is almost close, but it's almost close to there. But if you can just touch this last Bollinger Band, that will be good. Because if you do that, you see that you'll be making money as the coin is going on. Because if the lowest candle is close to this last Bollinger line, if you are in this coin for 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks, it will be going up and be making money. Because you need to check the long range of the coin before you start it on automation. So let me use CFX as an example because at least the candles are very close to the sorry almost on a downward trend. So now what is the KDJ indicator? Let me just briefly explain. The KDJ indicator is an indicator that has three lines called the K line, the D line, and the J line. So this is the indicator here. So the KDJ indicator has what we call golden cross and the death cross, just like MACD indicator. So anytime the we have three lines here now. One is like purple, one is like yellow, and there's one that is like blue thereabout. So when this one that is like blue does a cross on these two other lines, you see that the coin can move up in price. So let me check for hours to see an example that shows very high. This is an example. This is a very good example. When this blue line, just like it's like a blue line, cross over the two yellow and purple line, you see that this coin moved up. When it cross here too, that's a golden cross. This coin moved up too. Let's see another one. Let's go to the back. It did it there too. It did the golden cross here. The coin moved up slightly up. But when you want to now use the KDJ indicator, the system, the RoyalQ bot is designed only for the KDJ indicator to be triggered only at the lower time frame, not on 1 hour or 4 hour. So if you check on a lower time frame, let's see where there are crossing over. There was a crossover here. The coin moved up maybe by 1% or 2%. And it's a very, very good one. So what happened here on the 15th time frame? There was a golden cross here. This coin moved up massively. It can do like 1% to 3%. So it did another one here. Another one here. Nice one. The coin moved up. So you don't have to be online. That's how awesome this bot is. You just set it up while you are going about your activity, going with your businesses. The moment you automate your trade, the moment there's a golden cross on the KDJ indicator, the bot will only buy that time. And when the coin goes up, it will sell and give you profits. So when the coin is going down, you should not buy. It will now wait for another golden cross. You can see there are several golden cross down below. I see all those golden crosses. See one here too. On the 15-minute time frame, the coin went up. Golden cross here, the coin went up. Golden cross here, the coin went up. So they'll be giving you 1% to 2% on automation. So you don't need to wait for signal. If you are very busy, just look for a coin that is down on the weekly chart, down on the daily chart, then follow this setup. Then the next thing is for you to click create. Then at the bottom, please don't click activate, click trade setting. Then at the top, click on manually create. Then click beside that my template, choose a strategy setting. Then I already have a template for automation strategy, which is I've already created it already. So you must have created it before you do the setup. So when you now come here, then click 7. This OAR mode, don't make the mistake, change it to submit return settlement. Now, this first buying amount depends on your capital. If you have 100, 200, that will determine what you put here. Because you must follow the templates on that PDF file. Because the first buying amount is what the bot will be always been using to buy when there's a golden cross. So when you now want to sell, your first buying amount will determine how much profit you will make. So if your first buying amount is $5, because of your capital is small, $100. So if it does like 1.3% or $5, you'll be getting cents. I'm not seeing it. So your capital really matters in trading. So if the golden cross happen and the bot just bought, he bought $20, you make 26 cents. If you have $30 as your first buying amount and the bot does 1.3%, it will do what? 39 cents. Or if the coin pump it gives you like 2.3%. You make like 69 cents depending on your capital. So it can do this several times, maybe in a day or every other day. In a week, can do like 10 times in a week. So it will be on automation. So only when you buy when there's a golden cross on the KDJ indicator, but your capital matters. But if it does a golden cross and the coin come further down below when the KDJ indicator triggered, it will begin to follow the margin call limit setting to be buying, so that it will change and change the entry price to the market price to make it come up when the coin now goes above the price when there was a golden cross. That's when it will sell. So that's the way it was. So when you now want to continue, make sure that the first buying amount you are putting here depends on your capital that you have on your setting. So the next thing is we now go down, leave all this place, the opposition take profit, leave it as it is, leave the second opposition take profit as it is, leave all this one like then there where we are going is this. Go down to advanced setting optional. Leave it at cycle. Then this is where we are going. Leave it as cycle so that I can be buying perpetually for maybe 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks until the coin goes up. When the coin now goes up, just stop it. So this is where we are going to now. Trigger. Click this trigger price. Then tick KDJ indicator. By default, you will see that it will be on KD golden cross. Leave it as less than 30. Don't put it at less than 50. Put it less than or equal to 30. Then click save, click confirm. Then you can now do what we call click activate, click create. So immediately I do this, let me even go and change the first buying amount 0.5, 0.5, like that. Okay. So let me even just using as a so let me save. So the moment I've started the trade will not trigger because on the 15 minutes is until you see now is until there is a golden cross here, this blue crossover. At that time, a green candle will have formed here and the coin will go up, then it will sell. So this is the way to create the KDJ indicator. It will not trigger immediately. If I refresh, you see that it will not start the trade immediately. It's until there's a crossover, that's when it will trigger and it will sell. So this is a short video on how to set up the KDJ indicator. Number one, check the top 30 coins. When you pick anyone, is on that one trend on a weekly, daily chart, or even on the 4-hour chart. Then follow this video guide to do your setting. So you can put on automation for days, for weeks. Then you can stop it because don't allow it to run for too long because the coin might be going up over the weeks. So stop it, then look for another one after 1, 2, 3 weeks. So thank you for watching this video. Endeavor to like, share this video on my YouTube channel. And if you're interested in doing RoyalQ that I've been doing for the past 4 years, that has been giving us peace of mind because your capital is in your Binance, Bybit, Mexi, ETS exchange, and you'll be giving automation daily, weekly profits in your Binance. So thank you for watching this video and have a lovely day. Bye bye.